are you guys? Fine? Okay. So today you guys are going to tell me the sums. Okay, so you ready?
Yes.
I want to see. Are you ready?
Yes.
Loudly.
Yes.
Okay. So let's start from here. What is this?
Good.
Action.
Good.
Okay, very good. And this one is A. Okay. And this one is off. This one is P. Okay, very good. This one is A. Very good. W. Okay. Z. What is this?
D.
Okay, very good. And this one is J. Okay. And this one? Good. Very good. This one? Okay. And this one? B. Like here, playing bat with the ball. Okay. This one is D. Very good. And this one is very good. And this one? Like we are licking a lollipop. Very good. This one is very good. This one? Very good. And this one is very good. Okay. This one? Like a puppy. This one? J. Okay. So, Maima, are you going to tell me where is Z? Very good. Okay, Zimal, you are going to tell me where is A. Very good. Okay, Zimal, Maima, where is T? Very good. Okay, now it's your turn, Zimal. Zimal, where is A? Very good. Maima, you ready? Okay. Where is Very good. Zimal, you ready? Okay, where is A? Very good. Okay, Maima, ready?
Yes.
Where is N? Very good. So clap for yourself.